me snoring.
What's up to my pot? What's up to my haters? I done fucked around and sang a hook like Anita Baker. Neon icon, 57 city tournament. I'm first class to Spain, used to buying Ralph Lauren. Might rock Harachis, I flip photo, Porsche big body. My shirt say Versace, TV screen in my left pocket. I'm from California, but I done moved to Texas. My bad, I'm dyslexic in the 4-door Mango Lexus. At the titty bar, I ain't afraid to tip 'em. Me and Sergio throwing pesos at some strippers. Still rocking J's, still fuck minimum wage. I just left Neon Brave tiptoeing through my back cave, cause I'm